You look up to a spark in the sky, green fire dancing in your eyes. The world stood still, you ran through time. Now I chase your echo in every rhyme. I feel the storm when you're near, like thunder whispering in my ear. You're the blur that saves my days, running love through endless haze. Cause I got lightning in my veins, racing hearts through crashing rains. Your touch ignites the speed I crave. Together, baby, we outrun fate. No matter how the shadows fall, you and I will outrun them all. Midnight cries and shattered screams. You held the city, chased our dreams. They called you creeper, I just knew the man who turned my skies to blue. Now every beat's a sonic wave. My love for you, I can't behave. Flash of green, then you appear. You're my future, crystal clear. Cause I got lightning in my veins, racing hearts through crashing rains. Your touch ignites the speed I crave. Together, baby, we outrun fate. No matter how the shadows fall, you and I will outrun them all. Even if the timelines break, even if the stars forsake, I'll be your anchor, your refrain, the calm inside your hurricane. Yeah, I got lightning in my veins, racing hearts through crashing rains. Your touch ignites the speed I crave. Together, baby, we outrun fate. No matter how the shadows fall, you and I will outrun them all. So run to me when the silence screams. You're the hero in all my dreams. Lightning burns, but love remains, forever fast in our own lane. Even if the timelines break, even if the stars for soars forsake, I'll be your anchor, your refrain, the calm inside your hurricane. Yeah, I got lightning in my veins. You're my fire, my love unchained. We'll write our names in thunder's call. Forever fast, we'll never fall.